Morning, MGTOWs. I just woke up and I happen to notice the Bitcoin price has popped back up over 10,000. Basically, we dropped down quite a bit from this 11,400 pop here. Then we sort of dropped down and then recovered a bit and dropped again, and I was able to buy right in the very low 9400s. That's the thing. All of the charting people were, well, a lot of them were basically predicting this big long bear market, or well, like a longer extended bear market, like down to $8,000 each. But man, I really don't see that happening. So I went ahead and fired off half my cash into Bitcoin, and then I was waiting for a lower price that a lot of the charting people were predicting, but it hasn't occurred yet. So I'm still sitting on the second half of my cash. So basically, the way I do it, you know, in order to get rid of that buyer's remorse thing, you know, like the price drops and you put some money into it and you throw pretty much all your cash into it, and then the thing drops again, right? So and then you're sitting there having bought Bitcoins like for $1,000 more than they are, and you start feeling a little remorse. Over the months that I've been in Bitcoin, I have developed a strategy which is to for what it's worth, is when the price drops, right, and then I'm watching it and I think it's bottoming out, then I throw half my cash in there, half of whatever I've built up, and then I've got something in the game. And if it goes down farther, then I have more ammo to throw at it, and I can basically you know, buy more at a lower price. But here in this case, I threw half of what I had into it, and now the whales have brought the price back up. You see, following these charts is all well and good. All these charting guys, and they provide a lot of insight into the market. But in honesty, the whales, you know, the people who have the serious money, and plus all these Wall Street people who are coming into the space, they have much more money than I have, and most Bitcoiners have, and these people can basically pump the market for everything they got, and then all get together and fire off their, basically sell everything and then buy short positions for any of the hot, and then they can take the Bitcoins or borrow the Bitcoins that are in the exchange, but in order to short it, and then push the price down even farther, right? And that, I think, is what they've done. And the charts are saying, oh, it's going to be bearish for another week or so, and it's going to go down to 8,000. They don't necessarily have to make that happen, you know. And if it becomes common knowledge that the price is going lower, and then all the traders, they sell, you know, thinking that they can buy lower, and then the whales buy up those Bitcoins and leave all those poor 20-something trader guys who think they are, you know, charters and think that they can actually predict this market, and then leave them high and dry in cash, and then the price right now is back up over $1,000. I mean, $10,000. I'm living in the past. But anyway, so you just can't really tell where the price is going a lot of the time. So what I do is I just accumulate cash while the Bitcoin price is high, and then when it's Then when the price drops down, I look at it, and if it looks like it's bottomed, I throw half my cash in. And then if it continues down or has a dead cat bounce and then continues down, then I've got something in the game. And then if it goes back up again like it just has, I will just continue to accumulate cash, and in a month or two we'll probably get another dip, and then I'll buy again then. Okay, that's about all I got for you guys. And don't get married.